Having a good old thunderstorm tonight. After a nice hot day. They cut the grass today. Apparently they want the whole parking lot cleared out. I don't know if they're going to be repaving it or what, but they created new spots down on the end of the building. And I know they're going to be working on the underground. It needs work. Oh my God, look at the mess down there. It's disgusting. So yeah, I need to go out tomorrow. I better be able to get out the back door, or else I'm not going to be a happy camper. Because I can't go out the front door because it's not handicap accessible for my scooter. Apparently London and Niagara Falls area, Sarnia, all that, they got hail. We're just getting a thunderstorm, that's all. Last year I had hail bouncing into my balcony and into my living room because I had the door open. We had a flood back in 2002, 2003, and I lived in that building that you're seeing right now, the white building, and right on the side there, that whole paved way is the top of part of the underground. And when we had the flood, the underground flooded and the top of that concaved, so they never fixed the underground because they were quoted at like over $1 million to fix it. But that whole back parking lot was filled with like water. My grandfather's car that we had at the time, it was filled almost to the brim with water in the back parking lot. Kids were actually swimming back there. It was disgusting. Downtown Peterborough was flooded. A lot of places flooded. And it's taken them almost 20 years to replace all the old sewage and water lines in Peterborough. It's been a big job. Like people were rowing canoes downtown Peterborough. It was that bad. It looks like Ireland here with the grass. It's so green. It won't be like that come the summer. If we have a really bad dry summer like we did last year, all of that will be dead. And that's all I got to say about that, guys. Nice, warm, windy night with some rain. I can smell it. It smells so good. I love thunderstorms. Have a good night, guys. Bye.